what's going on? Hope you are all doing well. My name is Jean-Pierre Gataraya. Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to talk about a very important thing. If you have a car and the car is in good working conditions, I got a good news for you. How can you use your car to generate side income? Let me tell you something. As you may know, cars are liabilities, and liabilities are those things we have that take money out of our pockets. How can you do to turn or to transform your car into an asset? An asset which is all those things we have that can generate income, that can bring us income instead of taking money out of our pocket. Well, I got five ways you can use your car to make more money. First thing you can use to make more money. If your car is less than 10 years old, you can just sign up for Uber or Lyft. Those are the share riding services. You can make, you know how much you can make from that? You can make between the average of the average of Uber drivers mentioned that they make about $12 to $25 an hour. It depends on the seasons and it depends on the situation around. The downside of Uber or Lyft, you may not find Uber in your country. You may double check on Uber website and find if you can have the Uber services in your country. The only thing you can do, it's easy, you just download the app and they make, the Uber can conduct the background check. They do if you are trustworthy to drive the car and many other things, but it's not a big deal because you can do this even if you have a full-time job, even if you have another job. This can be another way to make extra money. People can make $100 a day beside the normal jobs, beside the full-time jobs. This is something you can think about. Another thing, it's also working like Uber, but it's a food delivery services. There are so many, but here we can talk about DoorDash. You just download the app and you put your information, you put your card information, and then you just sign on and you turn on the app. You wait for the people to order food and you go to the food store. You pick up a food to a food store and you deliver that to a place where the customer applied for. You deliver the food to a customer's place and you leave it there, and the money goes directly to your account. That is a good thing you can think about, and I hope it will help you to make extra money. The other thing about working like it works pretty much like food delivery services, but it's just packages delivery. The Amazon has made it clear. The Amazon has made these things possible with what it calls Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex, you download the app. You can check on your phone. Either you have an iPhone or you have an Android. You have to download that app. They can make a background check. You fill up your information in there, and the Amazon can make a background check to see whether you're trustworthy to drive, to see if you will not steal the packages somewhere, things like that. This is very important. You can make between 15 to 25, even $25 an hour. There are even people who make more than 25, like $30, $35 an hour. It depends on the season. We are going in a holiday season, Christmas and the New Year. People will expect to have many packages full of gifts. This is an opportunity. You can explore this. The other thing, if you have a car, let's say you have your car and you don't want to drive it, you can rent the car. You can see on a website called Turo, your car it might be in a good condition. It has to be in good working conditions. Some people can work long shifts, let's say 12-hour shift, and they don't have to, and those people have to park their car for an extended period of time. Why can't you use your car while you're working? Your car can be making money instead of parking there on a parking lot without making anything. You can use your car just people can rent it, and people coming in your city, let's say in your town or in your place, they can use your car to go all around. And people say you can make between the people who knows that they say you can make between 100 and 160 a day. It depends on the season. Again, it depends on the places. Downside of this car rental services, it might be not available in your place. You can double check on the website. You can do a research on Google or anywhere else to see whether this is applicable to where you live. The other thing is those transportation. You can use your car, or you can use your car in ways to transport people. There are people who, or let's say the seniors or the elderly people who are not able to drive their cars. You can just make your schedule available to them. They can give you the schedule, how they go to the doctor's office, how they go to shopping, and you can use your car to transport those people to those places, and you get paid. The average pay, they can make about $15 to $20 an hour. It depends on the places. It depends on the availability of those services in your area. You can double check this. You can do a research. Make sure you do something you understand. Other thing is there are some people who are busy on work, and but they have their children who have attended school. They have to go to school, but they don't have anyone to pick up from their home to school, or from school to their home. This is also an opportunity. There are those services that can help you. Use your car to pick up kids from the parents' places to school, or from school to the houses. But this one is a little bit tricky, because you have to get more other licenses, because you're dealing with children, and children, they want to make sure they also run a background check to make sure you cannot do bad things to children, or you cannot kidnap them. This is what they do to make sure the kids are safe while you're transporting them. Let me give you another thing, like a bonus. If your car is taking money out of your pocket, you can sell it. You can sell it, and at that point you get money, instead of just keep pulling money out of your pocket. Selling it and do a research. Do more research. Making money, it requires you to stand up and try to search, dig it up everywhere as possible to see whether this is doable in your place. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you took your time and watched this video. If you didn't subscribe, this is the right time to subscribe. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.